Imagine you're in a massive library with millions of books. You need to find the most relevant information for your research question. How does your brain decide which books to focus on? This is exactly the challenge that led to one of the most important breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, the attention mechanism in transformers. Today we'll discover why query and key matrices are the secret behind making AI understand and focus on what truly matters. Why do we need attention in the first place? Consider reading this sentence. The cat that scared the dog ran away. Your brain doesn't treat every word equally. It automatically focuses on cat, scared, dog, and ran away, while giving less attention to that and the. Traditional neural networks treat all words with equal importance, missing these crucial relationships. This is why we need a mechanism that can dynamically decide what to pay attention to. Why do we use matrices specifically? Think of a search engine. When you type "best pizza restaurant," the search engine compares your query against millions of web pages. It needs a systematic way to measure relevance. In transformers, query matrices represent what we're looking for, and key matrices represent what information is available. Just like a search engine scores web pages, we compute similarity scores between queries and keys to determine attention. Why does the dot product between query and key matrices work so well? Mathematically, the dot product measures how aligned two vectors are. When query and key vectors point in similar directions, their dot product is large, indicating high relevance. When they're perpendicular, the dot product is zero, meaning no relationship. This elegant mathematical property allows us to quantify attention as similarity. The softmax function then converts these scores into probabilities, ensuring all attention weights sum to 1. Let's see this in action. Here we have the sentence, "The cat chased the mouse." Each word is transformed into query and key vectors. Watch as we compute attention scores. The word cat as a query pays high attention to chased and moderate attention to mouse, while barely noticing the. This happens because the query vector for cat has high similarity with the key vectors of action words and objects, but low similarity with function words. Query and key matrices are the foundation of how modern AI understands context and relationships. They transform the challenge of attention from a vague concept into precise mathematical operations. This breakthrough enabled transformers to revolutionize natural language processing, computer vision, and countless other fields. The next time you use ChatGPT or Google Translate, remember, it all starts with Q and K matrices deciding what deserves attention.